I didn't know that a lake, a collection of clear water surrounded by towering pines and home to many species of fish, aquatic plants, and tiny amphibians, could just disappear. 20 years ago, my family and I set out for the peace, beauty, and tranquility of living in the North Woods. We were fortunate to find a tiny cabin on a small, pristine lake, just enough space to live and just enough space to canoe, kayak, fish, and watch the sunrise. We watched our youngest son enjoy endless hours of swimming, diving for turtles, chasing fish, and perfecting loon calls. About 7 or 8 years ago, I noticed a change. A species of aquatic plant appeared never seen or recorded before. The following year, more of the plant invaded lake bays and inlets, floating on the surface like thick, tangled nest. At the same time, weather patterns changed. Less rain, less snow, hotter summers, warmer winters. We watched helplessly as the lake level fell inches at a time. Fish spawning areas dried up. Lakeshore vegetation became prone to more invasive non-native plants. Water quality diminished as surface water shrank to mere puddles of stagnant algae. We were told we were in a period of sustained drought. The situation became more dire in the realization that the lake was a seepage lake, relying on saturated groundwater tables to maintain surface water stability. The shock was settling in deeper as we realized that the vast network of water channels beneath the soil was drying up. What will happen to our native lands? What will happen to our fresh water supply? When will this end? How will we manage? How will tribal communities manage new burdens in addition to existing struggles? Then I realized this is happening in many places. Our planet is suffering from insufficient will to alter our way of living in order to use less resources and change our reliance on fossil fuels. Populations of people already vulnerable to excess health disparities, poverty, and inequity will suffer more. As I gaze over a dying lake, I realize I must act. My actions may not save this lake, but I can act to educate, inform, enlighten, and engage others to act. Act now and act strong.